echo from a switch on the ridgeline to a hole in the hollow. Dawn Sunday devil, hog-tied with halos, a prattling at my feet, singing venoms of vaccine, and no one's your enemy. I replied, what a time to be alive and exposed, to be free